Google, at its annual developer conference Google I/O 2018, showcased the next big Android OS release, dubbed as Android P for now. According to Google, Android P is all about simplicity, intelligence, and digital well-being. It will leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence to take care of obvious things on the general smartphones. Also, the next Android version, the Android P, is the first version of Android to highlight and pay attention to digital well-being and importance to a balanced phone and personal family time. Welcome back to QatNip, and today we present you 15 new features in Google's latest Android operating system that are declared so far. So come on, let's learn together. For the 15th place, we have improved security and privacy. Android P offers security and privacy improvements such as DNS over TLS, encrypted backups, protected confirmations, and more. Next, we have the wind down mode, which helps you sleep better. Wind down will switch on night light when it gets dark, and it will turn on do not disturb and fade the screen to a grayscale level at your chosen bedtime to help you remember to get to sleep at the time you want. For the 14th place, we have Shush mode, that is the new do not disturb. The new Shush mode is an upgrade to Do Not Disturb or DND and silences not just the phone calls and notifications but also all the visual interruptions that pop up on your screen. Also, if you turn your phone over the table, it automatically enters Do Not Disturb mode. Next, we have the App Timer that sets time limits to app usage. A new App Timer feature lets you set time limits on apps and will nudge you when you are close to your limit and gray out the icon to remind you of your goal and not overuse any app, so addiction is staying at bay this time. Next, we have the Android Dashboard that focuses on digital well-being. Android Dashboard will take care of digital well-being as it will understand your habits, focus on what matters, and will let you to switch off apps and spend time with your family. For example, if you watch too much of YouTube or any other app, the Android Dashboard will suggest you to take a break and talk to your family or friends. So this time you'll be socializing more. Next, we have the redesigned Quick Settings that paves simplified ways to take screenshots and more. Android P brings a redesigned interface for quick settings as it offers a better way to edit, simplified volume controls, an easier way to manage notifications, and even more. Next, we get the ML Kit, or that is machine learning for everyone. Google has announced ML Kit for developers who are not much proficient on machine learning. It is a new set of cross-platform APIs available through Firebase. ML Kit offers developers on-device APIs for text recognition, face detection, image labeling, and more, so mobile developers can build app based on machine learning easily. Next, we have Slices, which provides more insights on simple Google searches. A new feature called the Slices offers a deeper look into your favorite apps. For example, if you search for Lyft in Google search, you can see an interactive slice that gives you the price and time for a trip to work. Next, we have the App Actions that will predict your next move even better. Android P aims to offer smarter suggestions and predict your next move better with App Actions. For example, if you connect your headphones, the device will surface an action to resume your favorite Spotify playlist. Next, we get the Adaptive Brightness, not the regular adaptive brightness anymore, this time through machine learning to learn the actual surroundings. Google has deployed machine learning to create adaptive brightness, which learns how you would like to set the brightness given your surroundings. Next, we have Adaptive Battery that squeezes every drop of power from your device. In Android P, Google has partnered with DeepMind to build Adaptive Battery, which prioritizes battery power only for the apps and services that you use the most. This will help you squeeze the most out of your smartphone's battery. Next, we have Smart Volume function that prevents you from accidentally muting your phone. It's really annoying to end up lowering the volume of the ringer instead when we actually want to turn down the volume of the song or video that we are playing. The volume interface is now shown vertically and keeps the ringer volume to the maximum. There are preset icons like mute, vibration, or full ring instead. Next, we have the auto rotation, but smarter this time. And finally, it's less annoying. Auto rotate now seems to be hit by a big improvement. A new rotation icon will pop up beside the navigation icon to let you choose whether you want to actually rotate the screen or not. For apps which are otherwise always used on portrait mode like Gmail, this will prevent accidental auto rotate, which is really annoying at times. For the second place, we have a smarter text selection interface, which gets you relevant suggestions every time. While constantly switching between apps, Smart Text Selection recognizes the meaning of the text you are selecting and suggests relevant actions, perhaps more relevant actions this time. It now works in overview, making it easier to perform the actions you actually want. And finally, for the top feature, we get the new system navigation, where the Android is completely redefining its interface through more gestures. Android P comes with a brand new system navigation which is predominantly gesture based and intuitive. Google says this will be helpful with phones getting taller. There is a single home button and you can swipe to see a newly designed overview. It will provide previews of the recent used apps too, and you'll no longer be getting a recents button anymore. Instead, you'll be getting more options like the auto rotate and other options that the apps might specifically provide. So that's it for this list, and we hope you liked the video. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.